The National Weather Service says at least 9 tornado sightings were reported across the Carolinas last night. As CBS's Nikki Batiste reports, the severe weather destroyed a North Carolina airport, damaged homes, and left thousands without power.
It was likely a tornado that flipped over planes and turned these airport hangars into a pile of debris in Hickory, North Carolina last night. The severe weather brought thunderstorms and heavy rain. Fire crews had to rescue about a dozen people from their cars after a mall parking lot flooded. One woman's apartment flooded right beneath her feet, and she says her car was swept away with her in it. Another family rode out the storm tucked away inside their home.
Debris was hitting the house all over. We heard a big crash.
Amanda Pruitt said when she heard the tornado warning, she and her family hid in their bathtub.
And the sound, you couldn't even hear yourself talk, or, and we were like kind of yelling. It was so loud.
About 60 miles south in Spartanburg, South Carolina, 18-wheelers were tossed like toy trucks at this auto plant. Fire could be seen shooting from gas lines after the storms passed through. In West Spartanburg, the storms knocked down trees and power lines, leaving thousands without power.
My neighbor's house over here is knocked 4 or 5 holes in her roof, knocked her whole deck off the back of her house.
The severe weather threat will stretch to Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York City, and all the way up to Boston through the day. Nikki Batiste, CBS News.